Question number 10. What is the internal energy of an ideal gas? The sum of intermolecular potential energy of the molecules. There is no potential energy of the molecules. Molecules are not sticking in gas, right? So therefore, there is no intermolecular potential energy. The energy required to raise the temperature by a temperature of 1 Kelvin. No, this is also not the right answer. What is this actually? This is your thermal capacity. Thermal capacity. This is the definition for this, okay? Which is nothing but M into C, M into delta T. Okay, that's what we have. So then some of the kinetic energy of the molecules. So this is actually okay. So this could be one of the right answer. The energy required per kg to raise the temperature of 1 Kelvin. So this could be for the specific heat. So this is also incorrect. So C is the right answer. In fact, we say that the average of the kinetic energy of all the molecules is called as an internal energy. Okay, it's not just a sum. But anyway, compared to all these three answers, I think C would be the qualified as a right option.